All right, good morning, guys. Alright guys, arriving at PetSmart. I'm gonna find some parking. Always try to find parking near the store itself, that way we don't gotta walk too much. Alright, let's see. I usually try to go for the spots around here. Hello there. See PetSmart over there. And there's always some nice spots here. I could probably reverse it here a little bit. Alright. Alright, made it safely to PetSmart. We're gonna get in there. It's 10:51. I go in at 11, so I'm early, but I always come here early because I'm trying to buy food for my dogs. So within that time frame, it should be time to go. Hey, big boy. Hey, Sammy. Hi, honey. Look at you, honey. Beautiful. You right, Sammy? Alright. Alright, guys. Welcome to day camp. This is the GoPro view of it. The one barking over there, his name is Buddy. He barks a lot. Buddy, stop. Alright, this is Honey. She's so sweet. She's a sweet girl. This is Marley. He is the best boy. And he's actually an active bomb sniffing dog, which is really, really unique. Really awesome as well. He's a sweet boy though. Professional. An actual professional. We have Bryce. This guy's really sweet as well. Beautiful Labrador. Beautiful brown eyes as well. And we have Sammy. This is Sammy. Hey, girl. She's so sweet. Yes, honey. She's very sweet. Oh yeah, guys, this is what day camp is. Just watching that they don't fight. Make sure they don't fight. We see those social interactions. Sammy's trying to... Not sure she's playing or humping. Sammy. Sammy, be nice. Kanya, that's Kanya over there. She loves the balls. He said I could get her to play fetch. Kanya, come here. Play some fetch. Here we go, guys. She took the wrong toy. Whoa. You see Kanye over there waiting. And Marley. Kanye's so beautiful. Wish I played soccer around these guys. Good catch. Guys, let me show you this. Kanye knows how to play fetch really good. It's amazing. She reminds me of this other girl named Eli. He knows how to play fetch well too. Catches it right. It's awesome. I love these type of dogs. I know how to play fetch like this. It's amazing. Alright guys, hope you guys are enjoying this view. I know this is very unique. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying recording it. This is kind of what I miss from being an associate compared to being a senior. Miss being in camp and stuff. This is amazing. But guys, so this is kind of like their space. You have Sammy being chill. The water bowl out in the field once it gets empty. Me barking up a storm. Lily over there just chilling, just chillaxing. Marley flirting with Honey over here. Marley, no. Trying to hump. Marley. Good catch. Good catch. Oh, good boy. You are way too much. He's barking because he just wants to leave. Doesn't want to be here. There's two over there playing. Sammy telling me to shut up. All right, easy. Sammy. All right, Sammy. Come here, Sammy. Come here. Sammy. Sammy, stop it. But yeah, guys, so sometimes they'll play around and stuff like that. Just gotta watch out for their body language. Obviously, Buddy was not really in the playful mood, so separated them just in case. Good girl, she got a good catch. I have like the windows here. This is kind of like the relief room. On the other side over there would be another camp, but because we're not really too busy, nothing much else going on. Some of the rooms over here, kind of empty. And you have the front glass over there. People can stop by and take a look at the dogs. Lobby over there. I'll show you guys the lobby. Well, at least what it looks like from over here. Hey, Lily. Hey, Lily. That's pretty much the lobby. There's a little bit of pee right there, so I'm gonna clean that up. Also making sure, you know, the room is clean, making sure that no one's really like, you know, there's no poop around. Just make sure that it's a nice, clean, safe environment for the dogs, you know. No one wants to be stepping over poop and pee, so gotta make sure it's always clean and stuff. Also, we'll mark down like who's been using the bathroom and stuff like that. Just keep track of, you know, dogs that stay overnight, make sure they're okay, make sure they're actually using the bathroom and stuff like that. So this is what this is. We'll also have like comments saying time out. Put in fresh, clean water for these guys. Don't lick the camera. I'm over here licking the camera. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Okay, who's left?
Mr. Gabe. Oh.
Hey guys.
Oh.
Honey.
I'll take this one. See.
What did Honey do?
Honey did.
Daddy, you're so rich.
Honey did 3 in the AM and nothing in the PM.
All right.
5:19, I think she said it was like.
All right, thank you.
Come on, Daddy.
Let's see.
Daddy.
Just put over her neck. Keep missing.
How did she do that?
Just put it close to her neck, like, you know, like almost closed off. Yeah, like that, like that. There you go. Oh yeah. Come on, honey.
Pizza, you'll die. Daddy, can I see your number 3?
Alright guys, this is basically just us unloading day camp. We'll go back to the rooms. Pretty easy. Alright guys, so I made it back to the house. I didn't record me driving home because it was dark, so you guys won't see anything. But yeah, today was an easy day. Not really too packed of a day. And yeah, I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed the first person view from a GoPro. That I think it's really cool. I'm gonna keep doing that type of videos, especially being in day camp. But yeah guys, I mean, there's not much else to it. That's pretty much everything that goes down pretty much for a normal day as an associate. Definitely not as a senior. Senior is a lot different. And tomorrow is another week with the new company, so I'm gonna record that as well. I hope you guys enjoy. Anyways guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will definitely see you guys in the next one.